One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on you.
What's going on, traders? Welcome to the FX220 YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching, this is Oussama, expert Forex trader and mentor. And basically what I do is I teach traders how to kill the markets the same way I do it. And in this quick video, I'm gonna go through my today's trades and I'm gonna show you exactly how I take them and how I trade the markets in a very simple and easy way that's gonna help you make high returns on the market with minimal risk. As you can see from the title of the video, this video about money and how to make money in the markets. That's what everybody wants to do by trading Forex. Okay, so I will explain to you how we do it the most simple and effective way. So first off, for every new trader, don't expect to do that by not having any system or any strategy or any education about the market. First off, you must get you a solid system, a complete system that covers everything from the analysis on higher and lower time frames, the technical analysis, the entries, the exit, the criteria. You should get you a systematic approach to follow that works, a proven system that works. Exactly how we trade here. We have a system that is proven to work. It was developed by professional institutional traders and it was taught to me by my mentor, who was a professional and institutional trader for decades. And I will explain to you a little bit how our systematic approach works and why it's the best way to trade the market. Don't expect like you're gonna make good returns and great results without any system, without a complete approach to the market. So starting off by following our system, we have our top-down analysis already done. As you can see here, all our key levels and trend lines and our monthly levels, our fibs. These are the foundation of our trading and you see them on our charts always. So we know that. Now we come to the part to determine the trend. And as you can see here, this is pretty easy. That market is showing us that this is a strong downtrend just from seeing the lower lows and the lower highs. So the market cycle is a bearish market cycle and we will trade only in line with the trend direction. We have all our criteria met for our strategy, and now we're waiting for a pattern formation that's gonna form around our EMAs. As you can see right here, market did go all the way up, created a bit of a big M formation, as you can see right here, and gave us a nice confirmation candle. We made sure that we followed our criteria. We had our valid setup with a strong confirmation. We make sure that we had the trend direction right, which is the first thing we do. And we had our confirmation from other pairs, the correlation. Let's check the other pairs, the other measures. Notice how here, if we are going short on the euro, we want the euro to be weak and the USD to be strong. This is how the trade will go perfectly. And you can see right here that the USD is trending up very strongly, so we have confirmation. This is the pound also is falling. This is our second trade. We will analyze it after the first trade. This is AUD USD. It was also falling sharply, so this is another confirmation that the USD is strong. Same thing for the NZD USD, and the USD JPY was trending up. Not a very strong trend, but it is still a strong confirmation for us that the USD is strong. So we made sure that this trade follows all our criteria and it has the correlation confirmations. We made sure that we are not trading close to any major key levels. The next level is far away from our take profit, and we had an ideal entry, not a late entry. So this is how you get a perfect entry, when you follow your criteria and your system. That's gonna generate for you these trade setups that happens over and over again all the time. Notice here how soon after we entered, market fell all the way down. And this is it. Market smashed our take profit. Let's check out the other trade on pound USD. It was basically the same thing and the same exact criteria that we follow. We were following our system. Our system suggested for us that there is a pattern formation that's happening around our EMAs. It looks like a triple top or a head and shoulders formation. We had a big, nice, strong confirmation candle, and after that we were in. As you can see here, market hit our take profit in 3 candles, so we were out for 45 minutes. And this is how you guys make significant returns in the market. Notice here how we had 25 pips, and in our Euro USD trade we also had 25 pips. This is 50 pips for a few hours of trading time, few hours of work. 50 pips could be all the way from $2,500 to $5,000 to $10,000 if you're trading with 1 lot or 5 lots or 10 lots. All right, this is how you can make significant returns in the market. You don't need to catch hundreds of pips. You don't need to hold your trades for very long. You don't need to do swing trading. It is just a couple of trades a day or a week and you're done. You can make, if you can make these trades with 10 lots, that's $5,000, which is great for most people, $5,000 a day. So I see many people complicating it and making it seems like impossible or something. But the process is generally easy. You just have to follow your system that is proven to work, a system that has a high win rate, that will generate for you trade setups like this with minimal drawdown and risk. Notice here how we didn't have any drawdown and the trade was immediately on profit, so you don't have any risk and the trade was relatively easy. And it's done like this. You don't have to have fancy indicators or these complex strategies. You just have to follow a system that is simple and proven to work, that has rules to it and specific criteria and checklists to follow. And this is what our system has. As you can see right here, If you can do this a couple of times a week, if you can catch 50 to 100 pips a week, you can do the math. You can make all the way from 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 a week. Very simple, without needing to sacrifice a lot of your time and effort, and just a couple of minutes and you're done. Imagine if you just took this trade with 10 lots, that would be $2,500 in 45 minutes, and you're done basically for the whole week. You can go and just enjoy your life and do whatever you want. Guys, for every trader that is sick of trying all these different strategies without results, without any significant returns, if you're sick of being not able to trade the market efficiently and profitably, if you want to be a complete trader that knows how the markets move and knows how to profit from a lot of moves in the market, and if you want to transform your trading and become consistently profitable and make higher returns in the market, I would suggest you this, that I'm currently taking in students for the one-on-one mentoring program. My new full Forex trading includes everything about my strategy and system, everything that I've explained here, and the way that I trade exactly. So you can guys just go apply this on your charts and learn it. When you get experience, you make the same kinds of entries and trades. Literally, my students are making the same exact entries like I take here. I've got like many students who sent me their screenshots and their trades. Congrats on everybody who caught these trades. So I have shared in the mentoring program all the knowledge and skills needed to become a phenomenal trader and take your trade into the next level in quite a short time by benefiting from experience in the Forex market as your personal mentor. So if you don't want to miss this, make sure to contact me on Facebook and Instagram. I will leave the links in the description. So thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, good luck. This is FX220.